Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can't see you at all. I don't know if this thing's working. Hello? Oh, I am live on Twitch. Oh, there's a chatter on YouTube. Are you talking into the void right now, or is my live stream on? Oh, that's actually huge. Huge. Poggers, let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Oh, nice. Good morning, you guys. What's up? Happy Thursday. Regularly programming stream. How crazy is it to have a schedule? So nice. We're in cozy mode today. Comfy cozy out here. We're going to do a little bit of open source maintenance stuff. Why do you open stream if you don't want to distract? I just know that you guys are a bunch of rule breakers. You're not going to listen to me anyway. All right. I know how it works around here. Is it state or status? State open. There we go. I don't think I can do that. I think I literally just have to do. Hey Demon, hey Crafter, hey Ross, hey Miguel. How's it going? Schedules make the world turn. I think they do, unfortunately. I'm like very chaotic generally speaking. I just kind of do things, but I'm learning the ways. I'm learning. I don't know. I feel like some people are super into their routines. I feel like I used to be more like that, and then I stopped. Let's look at actually, you know what? If I'm looking at specific, we're gonna do a little bit of open source stuff today. I have to acknowledge the community. They've been neglected. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be so honest with you right now. They've been neglected big time. But yeah, so we're gonna probably reply to different people's discussions, concerns, issues, whatever. Maybe fix some stuff, maybe review some pull requests. All that good stuff. I think I literally have I probably have some stuff assigned to me too. Hold on. You guys can't see it yet because I don't want to somehow accidentally leak something. Also because I like to keep the suspense going. How long is today's stream? Maybe a few hours. We'll give it we'll say 2 hours, but maybe we'll go longer. Who knows? I'm super comfy cozy today. Ready to just sit here and chat with you guys. You're my biggest plans today. Do you know how nice that feels? Hey Christian, what's up? Hello, hello. Guys, we have something exciting launching next week. Just so you know. Mega spoilers. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Did you bake me a cake? Be honest. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick poll and see how many of you rely on schedules. Come on now. Okay, but like I feel like all of us have scheduling to an extent. What's the spectrum for schedules? You know, it's like everything is in your calendar, or you are the type of person that ignores the things that are in your calendar. Thank you, Sam. We appreciate the lurks. I mean, I feel like that's kind of the best part of the live coding. You're just lurking. Um, I think I'm gonna look at some of the PRs that I have like assigned to me as well, which means I should probably open up just major stuff that I share with my partner so I don't forget, otherwise meta schedules. Yeah. My B-day was last Thursday. Yo, happy belated. It was last Thursday. That means I could have wished you happy birthday in the moment. But I'll have to settle for a happy belated birthday. No Pointer says I always bake cake. Proud of you. I'm proud of you. A programmer and a baker. Who'd have thunk it? I work at a not so blissful night job, so my schedule is work and sleep, and that's it. Yeah. Work that like if it messes with your sleep schedule, that's brutal. That's brutal. I like um I like working, like doing anything mentally difficult first thing in the morning is the best. That's my favorite time. Um, all right. I think I want to just merge this thing, TBH. I gotta actually also double check uh when our last release was. April 1st. Okay, 2 months ago. How much has changed since then? You guys know, I want to figure out all of the hidden little hidden gems here. Okay, wait. Get rid of that. Lip gloss. Okay, I think these are all good to show. Hello. I feel like I need background music today. A little bit. Okay, right. I was gonna do slash compare. I'll share my screen here. One sec. How do I have so many windows open? Hello. All right. Hopefully this thing works. Whoa. Wait, why is it so large? Uh-oh. Then I gotta move things around to adjust it. That's what she said. Thank you. I'm 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 proud of you for catching that one. Doom Emacs? Hell yeah. We are using Doom Emacs. Yeah, I do find I have the most energy in the morning, Thomas. Agree, agree. Okay. Well, I gotta compare main. I want to compare the base is that compare the tags. Oh wait, no, sorry, it's the other way. Do you guys ever get thrown? I always like get confused. Don't mind me. Yeah, so okay, wait. So on GitHub, there's this if you do like the repo and then slash compare, then you can compare all the changes. But then there's another thing where if you do the repo name and then slash contribute, you can see all of the contributing, you can see the contributing guidelines and you can see if they've labeled anything as good first issue. Yeah. I think that there's other hidden ones too. but I gotta find all of them. Gotta catch them all before I can share it with you guys. Okay. So only okay, 12 commits. It's just it looks like it's just chores, just deps. Yeah, it's just all dep stuff. All right, well that's easy. I do want to I want to merge this. Is what I'm thinking. TBH. Um let me just what did I change? Oh, I had my debugging thing in here. That's fine. Yeah. I'm like well, I don't know if I'm the only one that uses freeze at the org, but I use freeze all the time, and this would be incredibly helpful. The other day when I reviewed a PR, my browser froze. Oh dear. It's even more reason to use the CLI and then review it in your editor. What is freeze? What is freeze? You guys don't know what freeze is? Wait, hello? Hey, White Rabbit. Freeze. This is the pull request link for those interested. Freeze, it allows you to create like images out from code or terminal outputs. Here, okay. I didn't realize you guys were so lost. Don't worry, I can fix you. I can save you. I will save you. No, I literally use this all the time. Like any and all of my videos, the examples and stuff that I do, I use these because you can also predefine like styles. You can change it so you can either have this little drop shadow, you could not, you can customize with the drop shadow, everything. Why do I hear about it now? You guys have been using it for so long. Yeah, so like there I used to use I think it's called like carbon.now.sh or something like that where you like paste your code in there and then you can download the image. But this is so much easier because you can also do it for commands. So for example, I'll do like if I'm trying to show you guys like a change to a project or even for like PRs and stuff, if I would just want to show like the before and after, I can literally just do freeze, use the X flag, which is to like execute a command, and then do like go run, and then that's it. And then output it to like a PNG file. Yeah. Guys, come on now. It's literally the best thing ever. This is this if you do here you guys. I'll show you some of my fave commands that I'll do here. So I'll do like freeze X and then you can also do freeze X and then do like a man page or something like that. It's like anything you want to execute and take a screenshot of like the result. You can do that. And then you can also just do freeze and provide it with like main.go or whatever your thing is. And then you can either do out and you can do output.png. It outputs to either PNG or SVG, which is sick because if you're using something like Figma, or like any image editing software at all, if you put an SVG in there, you can still change the text afterwards. So that's kind of fun because you can change things around. But yeah, you can like set themes and everything and use like look at they've got these different like config files. Look. So this full is the one that has like the background the oh my god, why am I forgetting? The background blur. Yeah, dude, it's literally the easiest thing ever. Because to use this, I can okay, here's literally an example that I did the other day. We'll do freeze X and then I would just do like any I don't know. We'll just for example, we'll say like the help menu or something, right? So I'll do like glow help. Okay. Or I can do like glow pager and then give it like a like readme file or whatever, readme.md, whatever. And then I can do C full and that'll give it like the drop shadow and everything. And then I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna type, I'm typing in the chat. I know I'm typing it in the chat for you. C full output, we'll do like glow or like readme dot, you can do either dot png or dot svg or whatever. But yeah, that'll give you like all the contents of the readme stylized with glow and output to a file, output to a png file that has this exact style to it. It's the best thing ever for like pull requests and stuff too. Cause I'll literally, I'll take photos of like the test outputs and stuff like that with this. Yeah, it's so good. I'm not a front end developer, no. Not really. I guess like technically I guess 2E's are front end. But we don't I'm mostly a Go. Should Go dev. Just an average Go dev. Gosh, I've been looking for something like this for years. Wait, you guys, I thought I spoke about this on stream before. You guys. Oh, maybe I need to mention it on YouTube as well. Wait, what the heck? You guys need to subscribe to the Charm YouTube channel. That's where I update you guys on all of these things. Yeah, I made a short about it, you guys. Come on now. You guys. The Charm, wait, I think I gotta update the YouTube. Oh no, it's still, does that still work? Other solutions don't look as good as this, and it's a CLI tool. Dude, it's literally the easiest thing in the world because like yesterday, I had to tweak different little things in images, and it took me like what would have taken me so much longer because I would have had to like run it and then take it and then take a screen grab of it or whatever. Literally took me like, I don't know, half a second to generate any of the images. It was so good. I use it in all of my videos, you guys. Whenever I'm doing any code, like I'm showing any code examples and stuff, I just use freeze now because it's like the easiest thing ever. You can also specify like your line ranges for files. So if you just want, if you're like talking about a specific part of the code, you could show just those lines. Yeah. Yeah. So like all of that, you can make this window, like these window controls is optional. Any link with pip freeze? That's probably a Python port of this freeze is my assumption. Haven't looked into it, TBH. Hold on. Let me see. Pip freeze. I think I remember somebody porting the package to I don't know how to see example usage or anything. Hold on. I don't know what pip freeze does. Oh, okay, no. Then no relation to pip freeze. Yeah, no, this is literally my lifeblood. Do you know, because otherwise nothing I would do would match stylistically. Everything would look different. Actually another little thing that's pretty great for screenshots, like just if you're trying to grab a window capture that's not code, is literally QuickTime Player. Hello? On Mac? QuickTime, why does it take such good screenshots? What is that font? This one is JetBrains Mono. Would it work in a TTY? Sometimes when I'm troubleshooting issues with my distro, I have to physically take a picture of my screen and it's a pain. Yeah, it should. It works in a terminal interface, any terminal interface. So basically it transforms markdown files into PNGs. No, it's any file, like code files. I was just showing Glow as an example because like it's any terminal outputs or like code files. So like this, for example, is a Haskell file converted into an image. So if you're trying to like give examples of different things. But then here you can see that it's like, in this case, it executed this command, and then that's the output, you know? Yeah, and there's a whole like, there's this kind of, if you want like the white glove service. This is actually this would be a great way to like tweak things to see what you like, and then you can create your own little custom config thing. But I do really like the built-in like full styles is good. Which repo is this? This is Freeze. Here. Is it available for Nix OS? I believe it's packaged for Nix. I don't know. Debian and RPM. Hold on. Let me look at our releases. We use Go Releaser, so I think it is. Maybe a small tip, you could add made with charm bracelet / freeze when you share code snippets and videos. Yeah, let me actually take note of that. Hold on. It literally said there. Wait. Oh, just above your cursor, you had the Nix thing. I don't remember where I was. Wait. Yeah, there's a Nix flake. Oh, yeah. Lols. Lols. Okay, I love that idea, Oetsy. I'm gonna jot that down. Yeah, I literally love this project. And this feature, copy to clipboard, would be sick. Hi, Mimino, welcome in. I'm a new follower to your channel. I'm definitely loving your channel. Thank you. We have a lot of content planned that's coming out soon. I hope. Fingers crossed. I'm excited. It's gonna be pretty fun stuff. It's fun doing the live streams as well. Like it's nice having some kind of schedule with the thing. Can it allow for selectable text? Yeah, if you output it to an SVG. Is that what you mean? Like to be able to select the text in the image afterwards? Yeah, I think SVG would be your best bet. Because actually when it does do it as SVG, it is like live text in the output. So you can actually type new things. The text is not converted to vectors by default. Wait, so you're actually going to stream consistently? Ain't no way. I know. Isn't that crazy? Hello? I was thinking SVG selectable text. Yeah. So I think it outputs to SVG by default. I always change it to PNG because my video editing software only allows PNGs. But the SVG is really nice if I'm just doing like a demo or something like that because it's obviously fully scalable. Like literally this example here was made with Freeze as well. No multi-stream today. We stream on the Charm YouTube channel for the Thursday streams. It's sponsored by Charm. They sponsor my life. How do you guys feel about that? They sponsor my living. Hold on, I gotta move these chats. I can't see you guys. I can't believe that some of you never heard of Freeze until now. I'm so excited for you. It's probably honestly like my most used Charm project recently because I've been trying to just do even like blog posts, everything. Oh my God, it makes my life so much easier. It's so much easier to just communicate things. Anyway, okay. I'm proud of you. Let's try this out. Could say that about any job, and we sponsor their progress. Exactly, exactly. You get me. Um, okay, so let me just do. Let me just do this. Um, okay, where's the copy? Hello? Hello? Oh, I didn't know it could output to web part too. That's really nice for blogs. Okay, wait. There's no copy in here. Let me look at the. Hello? Output is equal to clipboard. Oh. Config.output is equal to clipboard or in wait. Did they have tests here? Hold on, hold on. Oh wait, I meant to do omega diff range action on this. I tried Fuse on my system though through the package manager installation. It's so cool. Far out to be honest, and we'll switch to using it. Thanks. Yeah, no worries, Crafter. It's literally been game changing for me. I can't believe I haven't like I literally okay, it's so funny because maybe I just like talk to myself in my room and I think that you guys are hearing me or something. Like I don't know. I feel like I've spoken about it so many times. I was like, oh, I don't need to mention it. Like they're probably sick of hearing it, you know? Anyway, that's cool. Um, oh wait, from main to working tree. That's not what I want. I want merge preview. No. Oh God. Wait. I gotta. Is it main? I think it's main. Guys, also that's how you use Git work trees. They're not that scary. They sounded like such a scary concept to me for so long. And then I bit the bullet one day and just tried it. And then I was like, oh, this is it's a lot easier than I was expecting. Way easier than I was expecting. Are we planning to going around today? Yeah, we're kind of doing like some chores a little bit. We're gonna like reply to people's stuff. Check things out. What was I looking for? Oh right, I just wanted to like open literally anything. Okay, why is this so cursed right now? Okay, okay, okay. I just want to do a little maggot merge preview of uh, oh wait, can I there's so many. Wait, how do I do a diff range for I forget how I do this. Hold on. Um, why am I forgetting how to do this, you guys? Lols. What font family am I using currently? This is Terminus Nerd Font. Worktrees is Worktrees just folder structures? Yeah. It is. Worktrees literally just like creates a new folder with a branch checked out, and then if you go to check out that branch, it locks it. So like you can't have the same thing checked out in multiple like different folders. It's pretty much just folder management if you want to check out a bunch of different branches and making sure that you don't run into conflicts. Hi. After launching Emacs within the terminal, how do you leave it? I just do ZZ. I've got Doom Emacs, so I can just do like I can just quit the same way I would quit Vim. Either one of those. Font family means no means font. No, nobody gets left behind. You can quit Vim on a good day. Sure can. Guys, I forget how to do this. I'm gonna see. Wait, mega diff. But I don't think it's this because it's gonna think that this is what's changed. Oh my god, there's so much that's changed in master since this happened. Anyway, I'll just look at the PR. I forget, you guys. It's okay. I'll probably remember at one point. Okay, let me see how I'm supposed to be using this. Hello? Manually tested. Oh, it's a copy flag, but then why isn't that showing as one of the options? Okay, so apparently, hold on. My CLI is ugly though? Oh, I'm sorry for you. Okay, so apparently if I just do this and then we'll just do that and then we'll do copy. Invalid usage. Yeah, wait, hello? Did he change it? Oh, did we change it to clipboard? What did we change it to? It gets changed since the original proposal. Oh, is it like output? Hold on. Output location. Okay, so I think maybe we just need to update this output. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's try this. Um, it's doing something. All right. I don't think it works though. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh wait, this might be like I'm testing it in the perfect spot because I'm pretty sure this interesting. Well, that's not working. This is such a good feature though. I want it. So I think um am I using Kitty? I think it was what plus iCat and then you can do clipboard. I can't remember. Hold on. I don't think I have kitten installed. Whatever. Clipboard. Okay, wait. Kitty install kittens. Any kittens? Git diff head. Yes. I think you're probably right. Hold on. Let's try this. Uh, mm, it's kind of annoying though that the range diff. Hold on. Can I search for this? Okay, so unfortunately, I don't think this is working on Linux. Let me try it. I'm just gonna try it quickly on my laptop. Cause, okay, it's a bit complicated though too, because my system has like multiple clipboards. So I get it. I understand why this would not work. Um, I think that with three dots, it might do diff from a common parent. Huh. Goodbye, potato. Why are you here then? Literally, why would you come onto a stream and say this is so uninteresting? What's the point? Why are you here? Just leave. That's crazy. Anyway, okay, so this one said copied to clipboard, so I think this one actually. Oh. Oh no, that's so sad. I don't think it's working. Guys, I think we slept on it too long. But then I guess it would have broken by. Anyway, which key on your keyboard is my favorite? My most used is probably my delete and backspace. Yeah, programming in my software development stream. How terrible. It's called hate watching. Oh, okay. I should welcome them then. Thank you for the engagement. I appreciate it. Thanks, potato. All right, rip. This thing's not working anymore. It's not even working on my Mac, which is like, oh, you know what? I wonder if it's like, did you change the default to SVG or something? Hold on. Yeah, okay. It's writing it to the current file and it's not writing it to a clipboard. I do remember this thing working at one point though. So, hold up. Hold on. I do really want to see this thing merge though. Remove copy as output source. Okay. Merge branch main onto clipboard. It's like something broke this. And potato pushed a bad commit somewhere. Yeah, probably. I did get a camera upgrade recently. Maybe in the last month or so. My kingdom for unified clipboard. That's really good. Yeah, like, are there ever cases where you guys find it helpful to have multiple clipboards? I feel like it's mostly just caused me pain. Um, hmm. You guys can't see. Hold on. Red Sly Fox says, I wish I'd gotten a tech job. I had to do something different because of the bad tech job market. Dude, it's so stressful. Like, it's just like, I feel like, I feel like no matter whether you've had a job in the field or not, like, it's so stressful. It's just because it's so competitive and it's only getting more competitive, you know? I think maybe we all need to fulfill our dreams of just becoming farmers. Bro, the clipboard add-on that I use in Vim is exclusive to Vim. It's so dumb. Oh, really? Wait, what clipboard add-on? Which one are you talking about, Thomas? By the way, is Qt widely used from mobile to desktop to web? I don't know what that is. Are you a fan of Tolkien? I don't think, I have never read any of the books. Wait, which one is this? They're the one that did wait. They're the one who did Middle Earth. Yeah, they're the Lord of the Rings guys, right? I say they, it's a one person. It's just one guy. I know, I know. Yeah. Yeah, I love Lord of the Rings. Best series. He spent his entire life creating the world of Middle Earth. Dude, that's so sick. Software engineering is competitive? Hello? What do you mean? Is this my job? Yeah. In Vim, you have named registers, but there's the integration with the system, I think, start register. Oh, to be able to get the system, like basically integrate with the system clipboard? That's sick. Salut. Salut, Marble. I know you're not French, though. Got him. He's caught. PNG is more convenient. All right. So, when and why did you break? I'm pretty sure this was working last time. I'm just gonna check it out as. Oh, I'm in B term. Hold on. I wouldn't mind being a full-time farmer and doing software engineering as a side hobby. I feel like a lot of people we're software developers because we like it. You know? It's not everyone. Oh, oh dear. Uh, okay, let me try it now. Because I swear this worked. Mm. No, I just need money. Oh, excuse me. Wait, where am I? Hello? What branch am I on this machine? Oh, I checked out the wrong. Hold on. I checked out the wrong PR. Hello. Where's the copy? No, wait, what? That is the right one. 97. Okay, weird. I don't know what just happened. I switched and then I changed. I switched back and then that was it. QT is using KDE programs. Oh, you should try the Rose Pine theme. I gotta go through. I think I'd love to go through like all the popular themes and rate them. See how we feel about them. Right, now try this. Oh, nice. Okay, it is working on my MacBook. So strange. That was so strange. Okay, but that's unfortunate that it's not working on this. Gulling.design/x clipboard. Wait, hold on. I was getting nervous showing my browser. Give me one sec. Gulling. Hey guys. Yo, Alex, thank you for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. And Zimmy, thank you for the Prime 30 minutes ago. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so bad acknowledging this. Uh Zimmy, thank you very much for the Prime. Noth NASA, thank you very much for the Prime as well. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Farming is also a lot of work. Yeah, but it's physical labor. It's nice. Okay. I want to see if they have any issues with, oh, what is this? Where's G-clip? Wait, what is this then? Before interacting with the clipboard. Oh, are they doing this? Hold on. Um, oh, oops, hold on. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing, so I keep switching back and forth between two. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is still not copying. Hey Sky, how's it going? How's it going? It's not just physical? What do you mean, not just physical? Farming is physical labor, no? I feel like I'd min-max farming so hard that it would be entirely unenjoyable. Dude, I don't know. I can't even remember the channel name or anything like that, but I've definitely come across like YouTube, like at least one YouTube channel where it was like a homesteader and it was like someone who I think used to be a software engineer or something like that, and they did change to farming, and they're like, so I have a moisture sensor in in this vegetable patch here, and here are my analytics for all of my vegetable patches. Like he had like a whole ass like dashboard with like all every single thing, every single metric that could be. It's like this is the acidity of the soil. This is like it's like okay, so smart, but just such a software developer thing to just want metrics for everything. Yeah. I was like, that's pretty based. That's pretty based and cool, for sure. Yeah, she's not working. Okay. Let me double check that this is this an in? Return error, but is this error ever being handled? What is year error? Wait, what? It just overwrites it? It wouldn't doesn't do anything. Sure, I'll do this. Yeah, 'cause otherwise it's just overwriting it. What? Oh, are we meant to see what you're looking at? Yeah, sorry, guys, I keep switching back and forth. I just added this. It's giving me a tautological condition. What the heck? Why were we just ignoring that error, dude? That's crazy. RSVG convert executable not found in path. Okay. Well, that's helpful. Do you use AI to solve this kind of problem sometimes? Okay, so I personally, I'll typically use AI for example, YAML, DevOps things that I just need to work and I don't need to memorize YAML syntax, um, that kind of thing. Or like if I'm struggling to understand an error message from something, typically I haven't really used it for coding. I've used it for grammar checking. Um, what else? Like usually I like to use debuggers. Um, yeah. Or okay, so I'll use AI as well for to get like a high level understanding of how things might tie together. I could also see myself potentially if I'm about to jump into a new project, but this is in theory, I haven't tried this. If I'm about to jump into a new project, maybe having it if it's context aware of the project, having it explain to me what like kind of the general overview of like, give me the lay of the land kind of thing. Lib_svg. Cool. Two. If programs became a farmer, that would end world hunger, IMO. Crafter says, Bunny, you're so good at this, it's wild. I love your vibe and your craft. Gonna mess around with some CLIs too, just to see what they're like. I'm into trying new stuff, but yeah, very cool. Cool. Thank you so much. That's so nice. Oh, I forgot to press my hold on. There's no way I'm typing a password on stream. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? No, that's what my UV keys are for. Come on. Come on now. Ooh. Okay, wait. I feel like there's promise here. Maybe not. Maybe not. I think it's still then copy my clipboard. How do I wait? How do I see if is there a way to like view? Okay, wait. View clipboard content. Are you single? No, and I'm not interested in chatters. Okay, we're here to hang out and code. Don't get weird about it. Okay. Is your mom single though? Sorry, I had to. Can I have her number? Can I have it? Can I get your mom's number? Yeah, Finsby's volunteering. Finsby says she's not, but I am. Would you be my stepmom? I'm all of your mother. Oh, I don't have my BioSteel. I don't have my bio. Okay, guys, listen. I don't have any of my affiliate links working on Twitch. Okay. I've never used AI for programming. Okay, wait. I do that with GitHub Copilot. Okay, GitHub Copilot, I've seen it's done some PR reviews and it's kind of cool. I was pretty shocked. I was like, do I really want AI looking at my code? Like, is it really going to give me anything insightful? But it's nice. It's good for like, I feel like there's like little tiny things that you miss. And I feel like AI is pretty good at catching those things. Thomas says, I've never used AI for programming, but it is fantastic for learning to speak other languages or at least type them anyway. Oh, interesting. I could see that. Yeah, for sure. Um, what's your BioSteel code? I think it's just Bash Bunny. Hold on. I gotta look on my YouTube. I don't recall. I should add it though. Hold on. Uh, I literally have to like go to one of my videos descriptions because I can't remember. Oh, my stomach's are rumbling again. Yeah, it's just code Bash Bunny for 20% off. Woohoo! Woohoo! That's huge. Here, let me actually like add that to the commands here. There we go. Now we got one. I should also add this Keychron one as well. I'm waiting on a discount code from them, for the record. Pressure them. No, just kidding. I can't sick you guys on anyone. That would be unethical. Keychron's been really nice, though. That's all I have for you for right now. Biosteel has electrolytes. That's what the plants crave. The plants crave it. They need it. Man, the plants. I can't think of a better group to be lumped in with. The plants. The bee's knees. It's still not working. I don't know why. It's probably some other ignored error somewhere. Or like maybe it's getting overwritten or something. Clipboard, right, read, what is this? This guy. My image. It's a clipboard, isn't it? Sorry, I had to. Clipboard, isn't it? Is this confusing for Brits? Be honest. If you're British, let me know. Is it for in it? It's a clipboard, in it. All right, I'll stop. Okay. Byte image data. Image data. Okay. So in theory, yes. I need to see though. How do I like test that this thing's working? Oh, you can just ignore the returning channel. Wait, normally it's from middle mouse button. Okay, so I need to see. What is happening? Well, it's time for that pesky sleep part of my schedule. Have fun all. Bye, Thomas. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. No Java, no C++. Oh God. Do what you want. What is this? It's a clipboard, isn't it? That's what it is. Isn't it? Welcome. Okay, so that's one of primary. Okay. Hold on, I gotta run this thing again. No, it's not working. How does this thing work with the... Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing, I don't think. Hold on. I'm hiding things from you. I just... Oh, wait. Require X11 dev package. Wayland sessions are currently unsupported. I'll look at their issues. Or yeah. Real quick. Yeah, like wait, there must be okay. In theory, there should be a test for this, and then okay, guys. Don't worry, we got this. Clipboard and net. This. There should be a test for this, which should fail on Linux if it doesn't work, right? Test freeze copy. Is this passing? What's happening? What's up? What's up? Oh. Oh. Hey, Lean, what's up? Oh. Changes from one commit. Oh, dear. God, I have this so zoomed in for you and I can't tell what's going on. I removed Vimium extension from this browser and it was a mistake. I can feel it. I can feel the regrets already. Okay, well, I might have to. Whoa. Whoa. What is this? Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. What in the world? Go build. What is happening here? Okay, what version is this thing on? Where is that? Wait. Hello? Did I close it? No, here it is. Okay. What version is this thing on? 7? Oh yeah, it's the same one. Yeah, see, like this kind of thing with GitHub Actions, I would use AI to figure out what's going on here. TBH. Clipboard to Linux, let's see. This one. It's saying this doesn't exist. I think, I guess probably it's not installed, is my guess. X11. All right, so maybe I can add this to the action or something. It should be in the depths then too for the clipboard. Any depths in here? Hello? Okay, so maybe it's just, do I have, okay, I'm gonna try running this. Hold on. I'm gonna try it locally. See if that can fix any of my problems. Guys, I keep forgetting how to paste. Remind me. Oh, uh-oh. Hold on. She fumbled. Stop. Oh, it's because it's waiting for my sudo thing, so I'm gonna wait for it to time out. Do you think it's a bad idea to never use AI while working in the tech space? I mean, I think challenge is good. I actually do think the worst case scenario is actually like overusing. It does allow you, it does kind of, I can't speak. It does increase your speed though. So I feel like there has to be a balance of knowing when to use it and using it like kind of at an appropriate time. I think if you make it too easy for yourself, it can make it like long term, I think it can cause damage. But then in the short term, if you're looking, for example, if you're like seeking employment or something like that, and you're like, you kind of have to be moving quick and like trying to understand concepts really quickly and whatever. Like sometimes that short term kind of sprint is worth the long term impacts. But I think that if you're trying to like purely like learn a new project, I still think that you have to sometimes like sit in discomfort. But it's the same thing as like search engines. Like if you would Google something too quickly before really trying to understand it, like I don't think that that is helpful. I don't know. What do you guys think? You should always know what you're asking and getting from AI. Yeah. Like I really like it when I'm kind of like going in blind to something and then it can help me understand how like certain things tie together. Um like higher level things or very specific questions. Um but I'm not having it explain like an insane amount of stuff if that makes sense. Yeah, okay, okay. Okay. It's already installed. But I should add that to our CI anyway for this PR. I think. I do think so. Although I'm so bad at maybe I'll use AI for this because I'm really bad at all the GitHub action stuff, dude. I spent like I had like 8 commits the other week trying to freaking fix GitHub actions. It was like your YAML, and it's fun because like you can't know until you push it. So it was like the YAML syntax, and then it was like I don't know some issue with the versions or like I don't even know. I don't even know what was going wrong. It was just pure pain. Okay, right. I want to fix. Let me get in there. All right, freeze. GitHub. Workflows, build. How do I? Okay, wait. Let me check. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, I can literally. I was gonna use AI. That's why I was like, wait, I don't know what I'm doing. Help. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, hey Shadow, what's up? What's up? Let's see. Oh, I think. All right. Oh man, 31 and you're melting. Yeah. I find it so hard to do work on days like that, Like sitting in front of the computer when it's like over 25 degrees Celsius, it's a lot. With no AC? No thanks. I'd really rather not. No. All right. I'm prompting. I asked, how do I install a dependency for GitHub Actions for a specific operating system? Use the existing build file to understand. Aspen Rant says 26 degrees Celsius and 320 milligrams of caffeine. Oh dear. 25 Celsius is okay. Okay, hear me out. I'm Canadian, okay? It's like my comfy temperature is like maybe 10 10 Celsius, perfect temp. I'm writing a Vulkan renderer in Zig with AI. It's doing a lot for my sense of career security, considering how bad the AI is at this particular task. I feel like Zig would be a tough one because it's kind of a newer language, right? Like there's not as many cases to go off of. Daytime or nighttime? Daytime. Because then like It's perfect temp. Just wear a little sweaty. A little sweaty. Wear a little sweater. Okay. Install dependency. Okay. I'm going to steal this. Yoink it. See if it works. And if it doesn't, then I'll cry about it. Alright. Nope. Workflows. Build. Okay, so runs on Matrix OS. And then my... Guys, I don't think my YAML language server works on this thing. Okay. We'll see if this thing works. Don't fail me now. I feel like it's pretty good with YAML stuff, you know? Oh. Lordy, I'll have you know. I see you. I'm watching you. Twitch says you're a suspicious user. Is this a political channel? What do you think? Be so for real. The most political thing we're talking about is tabs or spaces, you know? Oh dear, what's up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, take over. What's up, you guys? Primogen sends his regards. That's so formal. Yo, Prime, thanks for 52 months. 52 months of friendship. Let's go. Actually huge. That's actually huge. I think the first time we ever spoke in my chat, when you ever popped into my chat, it was when I was playing Apex Legends stream. 4 years ago. That's crazy. What's up, you guys? How's it going? True. We are one, trying to fix GitHub Actions, my nemesis. And two, trying to figure out why this copy to clipboard operation is not working on Linux. And I think it's because I have multiple clipboards and there are potential spots where the error messages are not getting shown, which is super fun for me to find right now. True and factual. This is the project. Here, you guys, I'll link. Here we go. This is the actual full-on PR. The project itself is actually, it's called Freeze. It's a project that is owned by my workplace, Charm. And we're sponsored by Charm this stream. All right. But yeah, so basically the project that we're actually working on is Freeze, and it allows you to do any code files, any terminal outputs, all that jazz. You can output it into like really beautiful images with the command line tool. So you literally can just do like freeze main.go and it'll output that to an SVG by default, but you can also make it into a PNG. And then you can also do like freeze execute ls, for example, and it'll create an image in like a terminal styled window if you want, and output that as the image. It'll show the output from the ls command that you run. Yeah, it's sick. So this PR has been open for like literally ages. Today I'm trying to like do some catch up on basically just like acknowledge community in any capacity, because we've been kind of busy and not interacting a ton on our open source projects right now. So this PR is something that I've already like seen it before, and I'd really like to see it merged. So I'm just kind of like, it's been open for a long time, so I'm kind of tidying it up, figuring out if there's anything that I need to do before merging it. So yeah. So it's like Carbon, but for terminals. It's like Carbon, but you can do it in your terminal, and it's both for like either code files, which Carbon supports, or for terminal outputs as well. So if you do have like, if you want to do a little demo of like your command line project or something like that, and you just kind of want to show like a picture of its output, what it looks like, then you can do that. It's sick. Also, yeah, we're in Doom Emacs, so get wrecked, all you NeoVim chads out there. I pretty much just dropped tutorial series on how to use NeoVim with TJ, and then Mike dropped switched to Doom Emacs. So you're welcome. Anime betrayal of the year. For real. Okay. Um yeah, so this was another fun time where we found out that there was an error that doesn't exist. Or sorry, an error that was like being ignored. It was being overwritten before actually checking if it was set or not, if there was any value to it. The worst thing about betrayal is that it never happens from your enemies. That's exactly. Exactly. Pinky about to fall off. Okay, but it's Doom Emacs, so we're running in evil mode, which means it basically just feels like I'm in NeoVim, but more. There's more. But it's a whole world. It's a whole new world. Whole new world for me. I feel like this is more of a chore. I don't know if I'm fixing it yet. In theory, are we fixing CI? Maybe. I got Okay, hear me out. I'm kind of like a tinfoil hat wearing nerd out here, so I'm like not a huge AI girly generally speaking, but I'm trying to let it speed me up in some ways, and that includes YAML files. Okay, dealing with YAML files and GitHub Actions, I think it's worth. Yo, what's up, Acing? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think AI is really good for YAML stuff. Is Charm what Prime used to build his SSH coffee shop? It is, yeah. They used the Charm stack for all of it. The whole thing. YAML's the bane of my existence, honestly. I think I had like 8 commits last week trying to fix freaking GitHub Actions, dude. On Mastodon, I posted a picture of like of one of my commits, and it was just please. Please. What commit number do you think that was? It was like it was commit number 6. It's like, please work. It was always something. It was like, oh, slight YAML syntax error, or like, I don't even remember. It was like, this version doesn't exist, and I'm like, this is in the examples. What do you want from me? Install dep for clipboard package on Linux. All right. Okay, I'm gonna push it and see what happens. I'm also like double trader because I use VS Code to debug. Oh, hello? Must have push access to verify logs, dude. What do you want from me? Hold on. Did we change something on the repo perms, or what's going on? VS Code to debug, are you good? Yeah, for real. When print debugging goes wrong. Dude, I spent so long a while ago trying to print debug something. Or no, I was in my debugger. Okay, wait, this is a story of betrayal by my debugger. So I was in my debugger and I was trying to figure out what was causing this issue where basically the text kept like jumping, like it would overwrite itself. So like after a certain number of characters, whatever, it would like jump back to a certain position and then like rewrite over existing text. And it was like the hardest thing to debug. And I was trying to figure out where it was. I'd isolated it to a single function, but then I couldn't find where it was going wrong. Freaking carriage returns, man. It was a carriage return that we weren't stripping from the input. And it took so long to debug because the debugger didn't show any of, like, it didn't show the new lines, it didn't show the carriage return, whatever. And then it wasn't until I did like %q doing print debugging, it was Windows carriage line. Uh, it was. I think it was. It was any of them was causing breaking. I think it was any of them. I think because I was able to like I was reproducing it on a Unix system, but it was basically it was like a Git. It was Git output from Git Bash, or not Git Bash, but like Git, like command line Git. It was like because what was it for? It was literally for this project. It was for freeze, I'm pretty sure, and it was overriding text because it was doing carriage returns in when you would do. I think it was like if you got an error of like that branch doesn't exist or something like that, or that command doesn't exist, it was like it was at some point introducing carriage returns, and it was like it's oh my god, it took me so long to debug it, only to like when you see it, you're just like, I should have tried this first. Like, of course, brutal. I've been in hell with CRLF and LF from Windows to deploying on Linux. Yeah. How did I end up on the stream? The Primogen. The Primogen. Hello? That's what Twitch tells me, you're a raider. Oh, man. Anyway, why can't I push to you? Authentication acquired. That's kind of weird. I have, okay, wait. You good, bro? Future ed. I'm like 100% sure I have all the right stuff. Authentication error. Push access to verify logs. Okay, wait. Let me double check if, hold on. I'm just gonna like show my term for a sec. Um, try to remember where I gotta look for this. Okay, wait. Dude, hello? Only showed the chat or the second line of the error. Failed to push. Yeah. What's going on? Perhaps it might be a write protected main branch. Yeah, but it shouldn't be an issue. Like I checked it out with GitHub, with the GitHub PR thing, the CLI. So it should actually be linked to. Oh, it says remote does not exist. Oh, bro. Okay, well, how about I push that to a different branch then? Copy the error message to the LLM. No, it's okay. We push to another error. Let's create a. Here. Let's do this. Let's do. I can't type for whatever reason. So, you know. Yeah, hello, remote does not exist. It's no good. All right, let's see. It's kind of weird though. I guess he deleted. I mean, fair enough. It's been open for so long. It means the remote repo is incorrect. Yeah, but what's interesting, I mean, it says the remote doesn't exist, so maybe the author could have deleted their fork, maybe. Anyway, doesn't really matter. I can't remember if it needs to be. How's the job search? Hello? I think you have me mistaken. I'm happily employed. How do you think we're sponsored by Charm? Hello? It's all good. It's all good. Welcome in. Hi, I'm working on a collaborative text editor for a personal project. What should I use to resolve concurrency and conflict resolution, CRDT, or operation transformations? Have you tried using Redis? I don't think that'll actually answer your question, but yo, is it working now? But I don't understand. Why is it working? No! Oh, wait. Are my tests passing? I'm okay with the build passing, but I don't understand why the tests are working. That is my concern. What do you want? What is the issue? Okay, why are tests not included in this? Or is it in the build? Hold on, I skipped over, I skimmed it. What is the issue? No, what the, oh, we need it for lint too? Dang. No, wait, I don't know what that was gonna do, but I'm intrigued. Okay, so I have to add it to the lint as well. I'll do it before this one. Oops, hello. I don't know what the space is there for, but I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to do right now. Okay, is that gonna fix lint? Is Emacs making these sound effects? Yes. Did you run any tests? Did you push the branch? I pushed the branch. Oh, I meant to double check actually. Hold on. Add dep to lint. Add Linux dep to lint. Linux dep to lint. Okay, wait, hold on. GitHub, workflows, build. YouTube chat really needs improvement. Wait, why does YouTube chat need improvement? Uh-oh. Skill issue, get good. Yeah, for real. I use QWERTY. Let's see. Go install libx11 dev. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, I was gonna see if the tests work, right? I think I wanted to test a specific one though. It was like test copy or something. Hold on. Is this it? Yeah, it fully is. Test freeze copy. Why are you passing, bro? Why are you failing locally? Why are you passing? Why are you passing in action? So this is what I'd expect. But the build is passing, you guys. The fuck? So there are in fact tests being run in the build, and yet they're passing, which means, oh wait, where are the tests? Wait, what? Post checkout code, post install go, download go modules, build. Is it just, wait, I'm so confused. I thought I literally just found test whatever in the build thing. This guy. Oh my god, it's commented out. Wait, why is it commented out? Who done it? Who done it? Who did it? Oh, I did get blame. Called out. Actually can't read this. I can't remember if I can't tell if it's Carlos or Christian. Anyway. That's why. Oh, some tea would be so good. I could totally use more tea. You pass every test you don't run. Exactly. Wait, that's crazy. How have we been doing CI with no tests? How long has this been? How long has it been? Hold on. Blame. Since March of last year? Uh-oh. Rutro. RIP. RIP build. You'll regret this move. I feel like there's potentially can of worms here. Anyway. I guess I might as well run all the tests locally. Setup failed. How many failures? Okay, so there's that one. Okay, it's just... Okay, we're good, we're good. It's just the freeze copy that's failing, which is what we want. Because then we can make it pass. It's okay, I'm not panicking. We're not panicking. We're safe here. This is a safe space. We're inside our editor, feeling good, feeling fine, feeling divine. Okay. I'm considering this a fix to CI. Okay, I'm fixing it. Um, include tests in build. That's crazy. That's crazy behavior. I feel like I need to be in like another PR that gets merged faster. Top 500 company. Hey, we have tests and pass all, but hey, we don't run them. Yeah, exactly. I think it's on this specific branch. Yeah, it's only I mean, all the tests are passing otherwise, so at least there's that. Lessons learned, you should warn for commented out tests in the YAML. Oh, good call, good call, good call. Okay, wait, I'm gonna add that to my little to-do list here. Sick. If you don't mess up the CI before having yours merged as well, it gets merged. I just broke my plots by forgetting to take an absolute value. Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. It's okay. We have faith. Collectively, we all have faith. Okay, well, hopefully this breaks upstream. Otherwise, I'm gonna cry. Nice. Nice. Oh, clipboard unavailable. There's a great error message. Wait, what? Operator is not a stable interface. Do I need to do apt update and whatnot? That's what the AI told me. And they definitely know more YAML than I do. Why? What? Again, what did LLM tell? Oh, God, you guys. Now I've got the LLM yelling at me and you guys. At least the LLM does it gently. Okay, fine. I'm just talking excitedly. Okay, I'm proud of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. All right, so I guess I'll do this. Copy word for word. Apt get. Oh, except I will require some typing skills. Hello. Update and oh, I also didn't do the Y. You guys, I only half read the message. Don't tell Eagle. Uh-oh. It's also telling me I need apt get, so I'm just gonna blindly follow AI instructions. Blindly. See why it always takes me like 8 freaking commits to fix CI. What's up, Monk? Welcome in, welcome in. What's your distro? I'm using Pop OS. Hey, Amadou, what's up? Otherwise, I'm gonna cry. Me, whenever I have to use JS, I feel you, Snook. How often do you say run into the same set of command prefixes per page? What, in YAML? What do you talk about? Fix CI, install dep properly. I think. In theory. What's your Twitch channel? It's Bash Bunny. Why not amend the commit? You know, if I was smart, I would have done a fix up. But these are all getting squashed anyway. I don't know. Do you guys fix up or you squash anyway and give up? Aren't you asking the LLM for the commit titles? I don't want to be clingy. What would you name this commit? Oh. What would you name a commit that installs dependencies in build.yaml? In general, I'm inexperienced in looking to simplify my learning process in reference to systems development of a vectored nature. A vectored nature? Hello? Vectored driven development? I don't know, man. Read a book. Okay, wait. What are you actually asking? Say you run into the same set of command prefixes. I don't know if I'm understanding what you're asking. Sorry. It's okay. Someone else in chat probably understands. Wait, yeah, what is git fix up? So git fix up is like if you pushed if you made a commit and then you realize that that commit broke some stuff, you can do git commit fix up and it'll basically it like links those two commits in a way, saying that you fixed that specific commit. At least if I recall. Yeah, you can merge them after as well. I don't think it merges by default though. I just do a revert and a commit. Oh, I use fix up. It's good. It's good. But yeah, like I think usually it shows. I'm trying to remember last time that I used it. I think usually it shows with a fix up prefix in the name of the commit. I can't remember if it. Okay, wait. Git fix up. I need to look at the. I gotta look at the what the. Hold on. Yeah, okay. So if you do git rebase and you do auto squash, you're able to like it'll auto squash the fix up commits into that original commit that you fixed. But I think if you don't do that, it just shows as like a fix up with a link to the other thing. I'm trying to remember what it looks like. Yeah, it shows a message with fix up, and then if you do the auto squash thing, it'll yeah. So it does create an additional commit, and then you can optionally squash that with auto squash if you want. Although I never do. Like squash, but discard the commits log message. Right. So if you do an interactive rebase as well, you can like okay, wait. Yeah, if you do an interactive rebase as well, you can use I think it'll will it automatically give it the fix up prefix? I think it might. Oh wait, we got a raid. Oh, Based, thank you so much for the raid. Sorry, I was deep in git fix up docs. I was trying to explain this chat and then I was like, oh wait. Hello? Do I know what's going on here? I was trying to remember what it was like. Dalton, thank you for the 5 gifted. I appreciate it. Based, I hope you had an amazing stream. Big shout out to Based if you're not following them. Give them a follow. What were you working on? What's the 411? Very interesting. Is that Papa West specific? No. It's a Git thing. Yeah. It's you do like Git. I think it's something like this. Hold on. Trying to remember. I've only done it. When do I use it? Yeah, you can do git commit fix up and then like uh the git hash. Oh, ignore that. Or did I in one of your videos? I don't think I've mentioned it in any videos. Sorry, I only meant I just typed it in the chat. So you just do fix up and then you link the hash of the commit that you're fixing. And then if you do an interactive rebase, whatever, it'll squash it into the same commit. And you can use auto, what was it? Auto squash, and it'll automatically do that for you. So yum. Do you have ideas for free license plate recognition software? No, I don't have that. Is it just me or is Twitch chat down right now? That's a great question. I think it's still working. It's still going. Oh, following is broken. Oh. All right, thanks for the lurk, Eagle. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Good luck with your studies. All right. What's you collectively lost that privilege referred to? Not that I'm questioning the rule itself. Oh, people, it's because, okay, here's what would happen is people would say the craziest things in the chat and then they would be like, it's a compliment. Like they would say something like super objectifying or whatever, right? Like things it's like, bro, I'm just trying to code, like relax. People would say stuff like that and then you'd be like, it's a compliment. And then they would get banned and then they would harass my mods and say that it was unfair. And I'm sorry, as soon as you go after my mods, we got a problem. Okay? You're like spam DMing my mods, like no. That that ain't happening. Do you guys get like that? Like I feel like when it's if not that I'm very tolerant generally speaking, I don't really take much shit, but I feel like if someone's like being a jerk to me, I'm like whatever. I'm just gonna kind of ignore you, like whatever, you know? Take you with a grain of salt, like no big deal. But then as soon as they go after one of my friends or something, I'm like, hell no. you're you're permabanned everywhere. Yeah. So yeah. Um Especially honestly, it's the worst during like the co-working streams because we're trying to focus, everyone's trying to chill, everyone's trying to focus, but then you just get all the people from like just chatting. Like at least here, I don't know. The live streaming stuff it tends to be a bit better. Or sorry, the coding stuff is better. Yeah, yeah, no worries, monkeys. Yeah, I also find Eagle like it would make some like compliments would make some people like it could be kind of uncomfortable. Like we're all having a conversation and then people just kind of like come in and then I don't know, it just makes other people like it makes the whole chat. It doesn't really add to the chat uh dialogue. You know what I mean? Yep, I did 10 years of customer service, and if you went after a coworker, you are not going to have a good day. Yeah, exactly. Wait, Dalton, hello. Another five gifted. Thank you so much for the five gifties. Congrats to all the winners. I hope you enjoyed winning the little Twitch lottery here and getting some Bash emotes accessible. Also, stream VODs. For the rest of you, I'm sorry that Twitch did not roll in your favor today. You inspire me a lot as a fellow woman in software engineering. Keep up the good work and keep being awesome. Thank you so much, dude. Honestly, I do it for the girlies. Like, I feel like anytime that I go to any like event or anything, it's like, okay, it's fun to meet everyone, it's fun to see all that, but like there's a special place in my heart for my fellow girlies in tech, you know? That's so nice of you to say. Thank you so much. Yes, 100%. More women voices in software engineering, 100%. It's so important. Also, they'll never land anyways. Making compliments on Twitch chat can be nice, that there's no return for it in the end. Everyone's weirded out. Yeah, like I mean, you can compliment my code. You can Like we can be complimentary to each other, but it doesn't have to be like, I don't know, just appearance comments. It's like, who cares, dude? Like literally, who cares? It just is so like shallow to me. I'm just not interested, you know? Like, Bash, you're typing, you're such a speed typer. I'd say thank you so much. That's the nicest thing I've heard. You know? Yeah. My YAML looks impeccable. Thank you. I worked really hard. My AI is putting in a lot of work. What the fridge? Didn't I fix you? Why is it always it's Megan's freaking GitHub actions, I swear. Did I not push it yet? I don't know. I pushed. Should have pushed it. Wait, 24 minutes ago? That seems like a long time ago. Installed that properly, little bitch. In an environment without a frame buffer? Hello? I'm gonna ask, okay, let's ask AI, sure. You guys are pushing me to use AI more, so let's use it. Okay, does GitHub Actions have a frame buffer? Is your couch just facing the window slash curtains? It's like a lounger. And it's just, this is where I lie down and stare at the ceiling after streams. This is where I stare at the wall for 4 hours after stream. Yes, exactly. It's actually super cozy. I love the, I love, do, damn, that's sad. You guys don't go a little zombie mode? It's actually better. It's better now. My setup's a bit better. I don't have like blinding lights in my eyes. Wait, you guys don't do that? Wait. Wait, hello? Am I alone here? Uh-oh. You don't like, you don't ever like hurt your brain a little and then you just gotta stare at the wall for a bit? Hello? No, I'm not severely depressed. Oh, I'm a happy girl. Why don't you have a git config profile with aliases? Wait, sorry to be out of thematic here, but why are you typing fully why are you typing fully name commands like git, commit, amend, whatever? Why not just have something shorter? You know what? Crafter, it's a good point. I should 100% have some git aliases for real. Okay, down detector is reporting issues with Twitch. Thank God. I thought I was banned for a sec. Oh. Uh-oh. Over here trying to explain interactive rebasing. I'm like, I can't type. Oh. Well, come. It's okay. Hang out in YouTube chat. I'll keep watching it. Is this C++? Absolutely not. This is YAML and pain. Why are you staring at blank walls? Oh. It just helps my brain reset. uh, I don't know. Wait, I don't know what to tell you. Wait, I thought everyone did that. I thought this is how we're all unwinding after work. No? No? I sit on my porch and I'm ready to take a break. Yeah, but you zone out, no? Oh. I stare at the wall all the time. Thank you. Better than looking at vertical video doom scroll. True that. So right. You're so right. I'm proud of you. Do I use Neovim like Prime? I am like the... If Prime is the protagonist, I'm like the antagonist because I'm out here using Doom Emacs. The rival. Wait, did I stage this? Hello, wait, is this committed? Yeah, it's gone. You little... Oh, I didn't see. Oh, GitHub Actions runners don't have a frame buffer by default. On Linux runners, you need to install and run xvbfb. Vanilla Doom? Yeah. I'm using, yeah, just good old Doom. Nothing really changed. Nothing really configured. Except for probably, I think I'm using Capuchin theme. Maybe. Export display 99. Oh, you got to do all this stuff. Oh man, what a pain. XGMB and I'm just gonna do this and this. Export display. Maybe this is why it was no, because we didn't have the clipboard stuff before. Okay, never mind. And XV. Why is this capitalized? I don't know if I trust your AIs. Will you marry me? No, absolutely not. I'll marry your mom though. Give her, what's her number? I'll drink some sangria with your mom. Yeah. All right, Claude. You little bitch. Just kidding. Claude's saving me right now. I'm not mad at Claude. I'm mad at GitHub Actions. This works. Dude got down on one knee and I should just yeeted him. Easy ban. Let's go. Did I even do anything with that? Hold on. Modified, changes to be committed, staged. Okay. See, literally me versus CI all day of my life. Install xvfb for actions. Clipboard. What a pain in my behind. The term tools are so cool. Help me build a real-time multiplayer chess game that could be played via the term. Excited to share the project soon. Yo, let me know when you share it. Post it in the project thing for Charm. Charm.sh/chat. Okay. Do that. And feel free to like ping me on it with just on Discord. Nightshade, are you the universal coding stream mod? Suddenly my 10-second bans feel more like a badge of honor. Pretty much. Nightshade protects us all. Alright, you little brat. Please be failing for the right reasons. Fuck. Wait. Are you so for real right now? Wait, can you guys see it? Fuck, you can't see it. Are you so for real right now? Internal server error? Oh, gee. Gee whiz. Oh, gee, man. Did you guys ever dressed up like Rick for a Microsoft stream like years ago? I had a Morty costume too. Just so you know. In case you're wondering. Dang. Can you rerun the job? Yeah, I will. That's a good call. Man of Virtue, have a great workout. I hope that you feel strong today. Pickle Rick. You remember that? It was so good. I send it to companies now when I'm like, if I'm like thinking of collaborating with the company, I'm like, here's some of my historical collaborations. It's very good. I still don't get why you're using Emacs. Emacs of all things. It's a lifestyle. Honestly, I hate to be that person, but org mode is absolutely outstanding. Ion, what's up? What's up? Welcome in on YouTube. Okay, I hope that this build is failing from the test. Oh, what the frick? Dependency. Oh, thank God. We did it. We did it. Oh, that's so good. All right, so at least that's failing now. Wait. Fuck. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Anyway, okay, okay. Emotionally, we can recover. Can I just do whatever I want here? This is okay. I'm gonna copy exactly what the freaking AI said to do. Okay. Sorry that I'm bad. I'm a bad listener to AI. Beep. Oh. You said to do this. Is that gonna fix anything? I don't know. Need to install and run. Okay. And I'm in the right file, right? Install deps, runners, Linux. This is happening on Linux. Support. Oh, sorry guys. I'm changing things. I keep forgetting that what you guys are seeing. 100 bits here because it's the only stream I could click on with a broken Twitch service. Let's go. It's a conspiracy. I broke Twitch. Is this public? I could look at it. It is actually. Yeah. Yeah, guys, get to work. Fix my PRs, please. No, I'm just kidding. Here. If you want to take a look, it's up to you. Your pain, my gain. This was saying like it was showing a float in the example. Hopefully it doesn't think I'm gaslighting it. Oh. Start. Oh my God, wait, it's so annoying. So AI was wrong. It told me I gotta do that. And then I was just like, all I asked, I was like, is that order correct? And it said, no, actually, the order should be this. Just do it right the first time, man. What is However, for the export to persist across steps. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Will that, I'm gonna just ask. I'm gonna just keep asking it. Will that work? Yes, that will work. Okay. Oh, you have to echo code? Wait, hello? Echo display? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. We're changing things. I like how you just have to second guess everything with AI. Oh, literally all I asked is, are you sure? And then it's like, no, this is why it wouldn't work. And why'd you say it, man? No take backsies. You might even want to add a brief sleep after starting XVFB to ensure it's ready. I'm not going to do that. Fix order. Whatever. I think I need another cup of tea after this. You have to handhold a lot. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, I always goofs up every once in a while. I find the best one is to ask ChatGPT. Yo, I'm pretty sure Claude is like the undisputed champ for vibe coding. No, welcome to management. Yeah, true. You don't use maggot for the commit message too? No, it's because I haven't. I use the GPG key. Hey, Denzel. I use I use a GPG key. I do like signed commits. Although I should just I shouldn't I should just use SSH keys. Anyway, I do signed commits and then there's a password on that sometimes and then it like breaks the whole UI if it prompts with a password. So no, I don't. Is Claude better than Chad? Who's Chad? Okay. Please don't fail for the same problem again. Okay, well, I think it... Okay. Did I... Bitch. Okay, I'm gonna change this back to whatever it's telling me to do here. Make it 0.0. Not listen to AI. Oh my freaking god, you guys. Ugh. I'm gonna lose my mind. There's a dash here instead of an X. There's a dash instead of the X. I hate coding. I love being skilled. I'm a skilled, so skilled developer. I love. Yep. Wait, why isn't it showing any unstaged changes? Hello? Where was I? Did I save? Probably not. I love life. I love being a programmer. I love dashes. Yeah, that should be GS. I should fix that one day. Fix, yeah, typo. Rip bozo. Hi, news. My apologies. I don't think I've ever heard someone speak English and not understand a single thing you just explained. That's right. Any mistakes that I make is for content. I'm sorry. It's who I am. I'm just farming. I'm actually out here farming. In reality, when I did all of this off stream, it worked first try. So I can't relate to any of you in the chat because I'm such a superior programmer. I make no mistakes ever. Farming for bugs? Yeah, for real. You are irrelevant now. We're going back to deer. We're going back to bear. See, this is literally story of my life, dude. Why is... At least, okay, this is 100%. This is where I'm using AI, okay? Fuck this. For real. Why is GitHub's action so painful? Why does AI have to hurt me like this? Why does it have to hurt me like this? Hey, at least you found it. Progress is always a good thing. That's true. I swear to God, if I see that. Oh, thank God. We did it. Progress. Yes, 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 yes. It's working. It's working. We did it. Hypers. Okay, I'm going to get a cup of tea. I'm actually so hyped that this stupid thing is working now. At least now we have to figure out why the test is failing. This is my daily world as a DevOps engineer. Oh, dear. Yeah, I've always been pretty not great at DevOps. It's kind of just something I've always pushed off to the side, but at least now I can use, now I'm using AI to subsidize, to make up for my lack. Not getting terminal coffee from SSH terminal at shop, shake my head. I don't drink coffee, guys. I'm also not even doing caffeine anymore. I haven't had caffeine in 2 months, over 2 months. And it was actually a great call. So, just so you know. Yeah, you guys, I literally have not had any caffeine in 2 months. Yeah. It's well, okay, I actually highly recommend. I know that people are always like, you gotta take a break from coffee. You gotta take a break from caffeine. No, but seriously, it made me realize that I had like major fatigue issues, like literal health concerns that I didn't realize I had because I just thought it was like normal. Slash, I was drinking so much tea I never noticed. Like I would be so, I would be so like lethargic and I didn't know. Cause I was like, oh, as soon as I'd start to like feel a little bit tired, I would just like go and have another cup of tea. It's crazy. And then I thought when I would crash at the end of the day, I was just like, oh, this is kind of just like a normal process with caffeine, right? You like drink a bunch of caffeine, then you crash later, and it's like, day goes on. But like, you guys, for real. Also, I'm going to highly recommend if you do take a break from it, Yorkshire brand decaf black tea. Okay? It's the only good, it's the only good like grocery store black tea that I can find. It tastes the exact same as the caffeinated version, which is unreal. Because I used to always have the Yorkshire Gold. Yorkshire Gold was my fave, caffeinated. And their decaf literally tastes the exact same, which is huge. Decaf tea still has caffeine. Yeah, but like none. Like hardly. Wait, Bash drinks Yorkshire? That's where I'm from. Let's go, Brendan. That means you probably have the freshest of teas. Harney and Sons goes crazy. Ooh, okay, okay. You guys, give me all your tea recommendations. I'm such a tea fiend. Okay, okay, maybe this is another one of my like stare at the wall things. Like it's not normal. I bring tea with me whenever I travel. I bring my own tea bags. It's the best. Okay, so you were saying Harney and Sons? Okay. But yeah, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's one of those things. I'm sure if some of you guys are like kind of coffee connoisseurs, you get it. But it's like when you get so into it, and then now if I get like the not so good teas, like the I don't know, like Lipton teas for whatever, they always taste like dog water to me now. This swamp water. I'm a tea snob now. It's ruined me. Yorkshire has ruined me. Okay. So anyway, so I bring my own little tea bags and then I make my tea while I'm out. Okay, okay, wait, can we talk about this for a sec? Speaking of tea, okay, doctors said all tea bags in hotel are trash mostly. I'm not that into brown water, um, that much to bring my own. Oh, you're not into tea as much to bring your own. Okay, fair enough. I just bring a little mason jar, like one of those tiny little like not even a jam jar. I don't even know. It's like I have a really tiny little one, and I just put like I don't know 10 tea bags in there or something. Um, okay, but what I was gonna say is, what's with hotels? They don't no longer giving you ceramic mugs in your room. I feel like I've stayed at so many hotels. Like I traveled a lot last year. I stayed at so many hotels, and they just give you disposable cups, like the kind that you pour hot water into and it starts melting. People steal them, then charge them. Like I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. People be stealing what? Do people steal pillows too? And towels? Give me my mug. Give me my mug. Rington's tea is also good. Okay, okay. I'm actually writing down all of your guys' recommendations. Ooh, okay, got it. Done. It's in here. I know people who steal towels, but not pillows. I steal the beds. I totally get it. I can't stand any tea besides the loose leaf teas brewed gong fu style now. Also exploring fermented teas. Dude, fermented teas are so good. I also really love if I was having caffeine. Um, Oolong tea, man. Iced oolong is so good. So good. My dad worked at the Sheraton Hotel. People would steal TVs, steam iron. Wait, what? That's crazy. Can't they just, wouldn't you just get charged? No? Anyway, okay, you guys, I gotta be right back. Let's take a little snack break. Okay, everybody get your snacks. We'll be right back. Okay. Get your snacks, get all cozy, get your drinks. Maybe walk around a little. I don't know, look outside, stare at the wall, do what you gotta do. Hello, hello. We're back. We got some snacks. We get some snacks. I like this stream. This stream likes you back. I may be staring. I may try staring staring at a wall thing. I'm curious. It's like meditative. I just kind of, like zone out. You know what I mean? It's like when you go on a walk as well, and like you just kind of your brain just sort of starts like just thinking about things. It's kind of like sleeping. It's like sleeping with your eyes open, maybe, maybe a little bit. Is this blondie or brunette programming? What are you? Are you blonde or brunette or black haired? It's piffy. Tell me. Hi, Miguel. That's one way to practice mindfulness. Yeah, it's good. It's nice. A little reset. You guys, I got some. Did you bring snacks? Did everyone bring dirty blonde? Nice. Proud of you. That's nice. I think I don't know what color my hair is. I guess it's like a light brown. It's like an ashy brown. You mean the same daydreaming like when driving or in the shower? I think so, yeah. I think so. I've got I made congee. I have congee with soy sauce. I'm working on the ability to generate images of code. It's already available. I'm trying to fix the copy to clipboard thing. Oh, congee. Congee, you guys. It's so good. It's like a savory rice porridge. Like if you've ever seen Mulan, what they eat in the morning where it's like in the big bucket and she spills it. I remember as a kid being like, what is that? I want to eat that. And it'd say porridge. And I was like, oh, it doesn't, this is better. This is so good. I always find rice is so good if you have any like leftover proteins that you got to eat, like roast chicken or like, you made fish or something like that. It goes so well in it. Okay. What would I put in it? So my ideal, if I could craft my ideal bowl of congee, um, it would be a soy marinated egg, aka the Mayak eggs. I do like soy and spicy, okay? A soy marinated egg that's like kind of meat like boiled for 4 minutes. So it's like it's still runny. It's like a ramen egg kind of thing. Anyway, add that, add a ton of green onion, add some fried shallots, fried garlic, soy sauce, chili oil, maybe chicken. I've never tried preserved duck egg, but I think it would be so good. I'm kind of nervous. I've never had it or smelled it. I'm sad they are finding high arsenic levels in rice now. It can it just wash out? Isn't that what I'm rinsing out? No? No? Um my build failed. Yeah, but this is kind of a good thing because we're trying to figure out why this test is failing. But now we're one step closer because we can actually, at least it's failing CI, so we can catch it. Before the tests were commented out, and then also it wasn't, we had to like install dependencies for it to work properly on Linux. Um, this is so unfortunate though, because what if it's actually what if it's a bug in the upstream? Because I'm pretty sure we're doing whatever we're supposed to. Hold on. Just any Linux stuff. Not preserved. I can exit. Okay. Ooh, wait. Okay, we're talking about century eggs. Century egg slash preserved duck egg. It's dark throughout, and the yolk is kind of creamy. Sounds really good. Supposedly needs to be rinsed, soaked, then boiled in water and strained. Who, with what? Boiled in water and then strained and then you cook with it? So like parboiled rice. Do you ski? Yeah, I love skiing. Use thyme in congee? I'd be so curious to try the century egg. Yeah, I'm like, wait, what extra rice? Parboiled rice is actually so delicious though. Like the literally it's like Uncle Ben's. It's really good. Apparently it's the healthiest kind of rice as well. I think actually, okay, this is gonna be my hypothesis. I don't know if this is true because I haven't looked it up, but I'm pretty sure brown rice would be worse than white rice in terms of arsenic levels because I did look this up before where while brown rice is healthier because it has the husk, it has like it's higher in the vitamins that are contained with that are in that husk. The problem is that it's also exposed to more of like more chemicals and stuff that it comes across during the like growth. But then because all of that kind of like gets absorbed by the husk, but then the white rice that husk gets stripped away. So while it has less nutritional value, it also has less like chemicals in it. Definitely most high in brown rice. I hate brown rice in terms of taste. I like what is it? Genmai rice. There's like a brown rice that's it's like the quick it's short grain brown rice and it's like a quicker cooking brown rice. That was pretty good. But apparently the healthiest is actually parboiled rice. Like literally Uncle Ben's that you can buy at like anywhere. Came for the code state for the nutrition facts. Yeah. We're sidestepping. Yeah, because that one is the healthiest because it gets cooked in the husk and then they remove the husk. So the white interior has a chance to actually absorb some of the nutrients from the husk. It's really good. I've got some sardines, peanut butter, ketchup, and some black bread. I don't like eggs nor too much meat. Yeah, I hear you. I'm not I'm not a big protein girl. I have to like force myself to eat protein, but I do really like egg with rice, so it helps. Now I'm more of a vegetarian, leaning towards. Yeah, I really tofu is so good, man. Like the I don't know if they have this where you are, but like the pre-fried. Okay, hear me out. The best veg protein options. Sorry guys, we're on food because I'm eating congee right now. Um, the fried tofu that you can get, so good. Also, the if you get chickpeas and you like put them in the oven at super high heat, I want to say like 500 for probably like 8 minutes or so, and like make sure you toss it around every once in a while. Basically like crispy chickpeas. Oh, so good. Better yet, toss some chickpeas in there, toss some onion, toss some peas, put them all on a baking sheet, put them in the oven so they all come out crispy, and then put that in like basmati rice or something. So good. Wait, even Discord is down? Is everything are we the last? Is this the last place on the internet that we can hang out? Drop the recipes in the GitHub repo? True. That would actually be really fun. Little community recipes. Internet is over. This is Noah's Ark. Okay, my stream. My stream right now. Chickpeas are a must. I didn't try them yet, but sounds promising. Really good, dude. Highly recommend. Get them like crisp, like crunchy. They're so addicting. They're really good. Also, in terms of spice that I use on that, I'll do usually I'll go for like a salty, smoky kind of combo there. TBH, I couldn't think of a better arc. That's so nice. That's so nice. Guys, as long as GitHub isn't down, we're persevering, okay? This concerns me slightly. But it's not even okay. All right. Well, at least now that's working. This I should probably also commit. Mm. I don't know if it actually should be a fatal log, but whatever. GitHub is down. Wait, GitHub is down. Has it been that long since I've refreshed the page? Wait, seriously? Wait, seriously? Not in Canada, baby. Not in Canada, baby. We win. We win today. We're winning. Wait, seriously? What? Who's it down for? Uh, is GitHub down? It says no. Hello? Is it down right now? I should be Canadian instead of in Australian in America. You're pretty much with that combo, you're getting close. You guys, you know what I'm really sad about for kids these days? Do you want to know the worst thing that they're missing? I'll tell you, but you have to want to know. Okay, let me see this thing. I'll throw some seeds of wisdom on y'all. Okay. Freaking Club Penguin. Okay. Where do the kids get to hang out these days? Okay, we had Neopets, we had Club Penguin. What about the children? Kids don't dig holes in the yard or drink from the hose anymore, and it shows. Yeah, seriously. Now that's a name I've not heard. Club Penguin, you guys. Because you could go party at your igloos. You could hang out safely. Even if, like, their moderation was so good, too. I always felt very safe in Club Penguin. Also, their mini games were so good. Are you kidding me? I actually was thinking about it the other day. I was like, I missed that fishing game. Specifically the ice fishing. All they got now is Fortnite and Discord and Minecraft. But like, come on. Oh, Toontown. Oh my god, wait, stop. Okay, Club Penguin, Toontown. Those were so good. I didn't even know about Club Penguin, dude. I had that thing scheduled. I'm pretty sure I had a calendar that was like, this event is coming up in Club Penguin in 2 weeks. They got some free hats. I gotta get it from a penguin. I signed on to Club Penguin on the last day of Club Penguin, and my account was like over a decade old. I don't know why Disney killed Club Penguin, dude. That's like, that's brutal. We had Club Penguin, they have Roblox now. What is Roblox? Is it good for their attention spans? Be honest. I'm Gen Z and in the same boat. Yeah, exactly. I learned how to type playing RuneScape. Dude, I swear, as a child, I literally used to advocate for why video games were a good thing for children. I would like present to, like, if we had any presentations or like research projects or whatever that we had to do, because you know when you're a kid you gotta like learn how to Google things and whatever, every single one of them would just be like, why video games are good for children. This was like um before like Fortnite and stuff. Fortnite's pretty good. I don't know. I feel like I learned how to read by playing video games. Like me on my DS playing Pokemon. I'm pretty sure that taught me how to read. I distinctly remember the first grade because I knew what a hide was. Yeah, because of RuneScape, right? Yeah. Come on now. Roblox is pretty fun. People make custom games in it in Lua. Wait, really? Yeah, I don't know what Roblox is. When I went to school in the 1900s, the only computer we had booted from a floppy drive. I've tried one of those once, and I thought it was like the craziest thing. Honestly, I think that was like my first spark of being curious about computers, but then I never really pursued that until I was having to be an adult. Gen Alpha is wrecked, dude. I feel so bad for like the kids that grew up with social media because I feel like there's so many people out there that like don't understand the dangers of social media and they just like post their kids and like pictures of their yard and whatever from like just public for anyone to see and it really creeps me out. I feel so bad cuz it's just like unsafe, man. At least they're iPad Pros, that's true. That's true. Wait. Wait, you guys. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I've subscribed to this channel. Where is he? There's like this 6-year-old competitive programmer on YouTube. Hold on. There's literally a 6-year-old like competitive programmer on YouTube that I subscribed to. And all he does, he posts like multiple times a day. He posts multiple times a day and it just absolutely cracked solving leak code problems that would put us to shame. Yo, it totally is William Lynn. Is it? No. No, it's not William Lynn. No, it's younger. He's way younger. Hold on. No, no, no. Way younger than William Lynn. He's next gen. He's like so little. Okay, wait, let me see. I need to find all of my subs. It blew my mind. I was like, I didn't. No matter what you do, there's always going to be a 6-year-old that's better than you, okay? But 6 was just so young. I was like, how's your brain doing this? Hmm. Dang, I gotta find it. Hold on. It came up in my. Hold on. I gotta find it. I don't think it's not William Lynn. Hold on. He was literally tiny. I was like, kiddo, shouldn't you be like outside? I think it was literally like study with me. It was insane. Damn it, I gotta find it, you guys. Wait, I know exactly what you're talking about. Do you know? You know? It's crazy, right? Even Judo thinks the outrage is suspicious. Wait, outrage about what? Oh, outage. I got all my family off social media. Yeah, dude. I think that's for the best. I remember I remember when social media was like just coming out and how damaging it was for like as a teenager. That was crazy stuff. Down Detector shows a lot of stuff down right now. Well, we're unfazed. Don't worry, guys. We're here. We're still here. We're still kicking. Wait, can someone name the guy that I'm trying to think of? It's like I'm trying to find it. Okay, wait. Program with me. It's like a 6-year-old kid. Oh, wait, YouTube. Dang, I can't find it. It was crazy though. Maybe his account got taken down because he's too young, man. He was tiny. I was like, I think like that's grade one, dude. Oh my god, you found it? Wait. Oh my god, no, he's still here. Dude, I swear. Okay, wait, I gotta show you guys this. This is like such a side tangent, but it's crazy. Hold on. Oh, I'm not signed in. Oh dear. Um, damn it. Oh wait, maybe I can. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys on the Charm account. Hold on. Sorry, Charm. I'm changing our watch history. Okay. Dude. Okay, wait. We gotta find it. Crazy. I saw this kid's video and I was like, this is it for me. I can't. He's taking all our jobs. All right, he's working 3 jobs at once and nobody knows. Hold on. Dang, I don't think it's showing up. Hold on. Hmm. Okay, actually, yeah, it's insane. Okay, wait, I gotta paste it in the chat because it's not working. Crazy. Like, he's so tiny, just a little guy, dude. He's just a little guy. Oh, I can hear myself. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm watching one of his videos right now. He's gonna go places, dude. He's got more subscribers on YouTube than me. He's so cool. I think he posts like literally it's insane. He posts so many times a day. He posts at least like twice a day. If we were all leak coding as hard as he was, we wouldn't be worried about unemployment. What if he peaks too early? Then he can do literally anything he wants. Like this is inspiring. This is true inspiration. Wait, I like his little timer. Where'd you get that? He looks so happy doing it too. He's just chilling. Minimize. What's he doing? Elite code medium. Minimize maximum pair sum in array. Just chilling. ThinkPad and the HHKB too. He's cultured, dude. This has to be from a parent. I don't know, man. I feel like when you're a kid, you're just. Maybe. I mean, he keeps looking over and smiling. But, like, where's the time to think? I know, he's got tiny little hands. He's so fast. Such a fast hyper. It's his own, yeah. I feel like this was such a kid thing to do. I feel like if I was a kid and I was doing, like, in this day and age, probably. The parent must have influenced interest. Oh, for sure, dude. I'm sure one of his parents is a programmer. I feel like you can't start something that young without your parents having like some like way to get you into it. Is this stream ending? No, sorry. I just I was watching stuff and then I had to change this. Anyway. Yeah. Okay, wait, I gotta subscribe. This guy's crazy. It's inspiring. For real. Like, what if I just did this on my channel? You know? That's what I should do. But I'd be spending way more time thinking. I saw that too, and then I was like, oh man, he's cooler than me. I know. That's how I feel about it too. I'm like, is it inspiring or is it like, I mean, at the same time, it doesn't really matter if you're slower than him. He's a he's a different breed. I know. Dude, how fast is he even typing? It's crazy. Show people this channel and say, what's your excuse? Yeah, for real. That's what it feels like. It feels like when I look at that channel, that's all I'm thinking. What is my excuse? I'm tired. I want to lie down. I gotta stare at the wall for a bit. um, oh yeah, shit. Okay. Okay. Is this gonna work? Clipboard in it. Like, when is this? Is this thing used anywhere else? No. Bro's actually gonna have the. He is what the recruiters are looking for. He's got man's gonna have like 18 years of experience by the time that they're ready for a job. What are you all talking about? I'm confused. Here, this. We're talking about this YouTube channel. It's competitive programming, and he's like a young child, just absolutely crushing it, making us all look like plebs. Yeah, that's insane. Okay, aerodynamic potato made a great point. Keep in mind he's from Thailand. He's bilingual and can read all of these problems easily at that age. Hello? It's crazy. That's crazy. I need you to stop being a little bitch is what I need. I don't understand what this clip. Wait, hello? Are we supposed to use this for something? Oh. Wait, I'm so curious about this. Okay, wait, hold on. Sorry, I gotta change this. Guys, we're all inspired. We gotta focus now. We gotta hunker down, okay? That kid's gonna be our bosses in like... He'll be our boss in like 20 years, okay? Wait, his videos make me want to lock in, right? Literally. Yeah, sorry guys. I can't talk anymore, okay? We can't keep chatting like this. I got stuff to do. That kid can be our boss next year. He could be our boss next week, you know? He can he can steal our jobs right now. He'll burn out in 2 years. No, don't be mean. He's just a little guy. Come on. Come on now. I'm proud of him. Nothing. I don't think anything can stop him. Oh. Why is this? Oh. Oh shit. Wait. What happens? Why is it hanging? What happens if I have a channel that never returns? Hold on. I don't know how that works. Oh, let's ask. Sure, we'll ask AI. What happens if I don't close a channel? Or whatever. Wait, maybe I'll just send it a link to this and say, I don't know. Let's see. So going design clipboard. If you don't close it, the channel will leak, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to close that thing. Are you currently coding? I'm prompting AI to help me. Hey Tassel, what's up? Welcome in, welcome in. Oh no. Firebase is so broken I can't log in and work. Dude, what is this outage? That's wild. Everything down. What am I working on? We're working on Freeze, which is what allows you to it allows you to generate images from code or terminal outputs. So similar to like I used to use carbon.now.sh, which is a web application where you can paste in your code and then you can download an image. So instead, now I can use the command line application and just provide it a code file as an argument and have it output to SVG, PNG, or WebPart. And yeah, it's great. I got this stream playing, his video in the background, and Obsidian VS Code, and Vim textbook out. Time to lock in. Let's go. I'm so glad I could shame you with a 6-year-old who's doing harder code problems, you know? Yeah, I'm like, I'm a bit confused. Okay, wait. When your data is no longer in the clipboard. Mm. Wait, what is this? What is this print line? Hello? Does that actually work? Oh, yeah, I guess so. Do I have to like defer? Hello? Oh, it's just close? Okay. Is that gonna work? Oh, cannot close or receive only channel. happens with the receive? Wait, I didn't know there were receive only channels. Receive only channel Golang? What the heck? Oh. Interesting. Okay, well, anyway, I'm gonna close it here, maybe? Is that allowed? Yeah, I'm like, huh? What's the issue you have with the clipboard? It's not working on Linux. So I'm trying to figure out por qué. Um, I don't even know if this is like anything. You need bash emoji for that hello moment. Change the kernel. Just rebuild. I'll rebuild the system. Okay. Whoa, channels can be declared one of 3 ways? Holy shit. Oh, okay, wait. Receive only channels. It can't be written to or closed. Whoa. Whoa, learn something new every day. Okay. Let's try the V term, whatever. Weird. Why? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, hold on. Is it supposed to change though? I'm just writing it once. I just need to know if it ever gets written. Okay, wait. Let me look at that. Hold on. Let's ask. Um, sure. Okay, let me look at this guy. Oh, what's this? What's with this? What's debug? I don't like this. I need to know if there's an error. Why? I find sometimes asking, yeah, I get more confused. Yeah, I hear ya. Causes the panic? Wait, where? Oh, sorry guys. It's because I'm sorry. I'm showing you I meant to be showing you this window. I was showing you the wrong window. Rip G Suite. Oof. Clipboard is not working. Can you copy and paste? Yeah, it's this library that we're using. We only see the readme. Sorry guys. I'm a professional. Like, what is this? Okay. Maybe okay, wait. Give me one sec. Hmm. Whoa, so loud. Okay. Let me just get clone this. Hold on. Let me check what this is. Oh. All right. Give me one sec. Buffer's read only? What do you mean? Okay. Ner. I always read ner as N-U-R as ner, like Australian new. Uh, what is this? Well, camera has fast autofocus. I'm using the Panasonic Panasonic can't dude. Am I okay? uh, uh, I'm using the Panasonic. I can't say it. Panasonic Lumix S52. Jesus Christ. What is this? That's my question. Test doc. Oh my god, wait, I'm so concerned right now. Okay. Is there a build for anything? Are we doing some DevOps today? What is this? Oh, fuck. I could have stolen this, you guys. I didn't even have to ask AI. I need to stare at a wall for a bit, you guys. It's a nice camera. Yeah, it's sick. It's a new upgrade. It's really good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I have pretty much, I think it's the exact same, I think it's the exact same, like, camera setup as Theo's. I say I think, but I'm pretty sure I yoinked all of his tips. It's really good. SVG is better than PNG. PNG is lossy when scaling. Yeah. So we're just doing PNG, I think, for copy to clipboard, though. Because, like, in what world are we pasting SVGs anywhere where it doesn't need to be a file? You know? Like, even if you're embedding in an HTML or something, you need the SVG file. I feel like if you're wanting to, like, copy something to clipboard, it's probably going to be a PNG so that you can paste it, like, in your pull request or, like, in your chats or whatever. Is the outage because of Cloudflare? Maybe. Philip says, no idea, but I really messed up. I went for a run thinking I could work late in the evening. Now it's broken and I'm gonna cry. Oh, goodness. Happens to the best of us. I really like Go. It's been a great experience. Okay, so is this thing running any tests? Run tests on Windows specifically. Okay, and what are your tests? What's happening? I need a image. Oh, that's it. Okay, well, I'm gonna give you another example, right? Um, we'll do write text funk. What? What's with my lack of? Uh, What's with this? Wait, wait, what? What? It's not even tests in here. Oh, it's just examples. Okay, I'm in the wrong file. Okay. I was gonna say, kind of weird. Okay, is there image thing anywhere? Where you used? What is this? Stores data. Okay, one sec. Hello, we're back. Okay, yeah, we're trying to figure out what's going on here. So this is all, in theory, this is all passing. No. What in the world? What is that? Wait, is this a... Hold on. It's okay. What? What is happening? The tinfoil hat in me says it's an attack. All the outage? Very possible. Yeah, that's what I'm confused about too. Maybe we need to use a different clipboard thing. This is a lot. How has maintenance been going? Not good. We're not good. We've been fighting CI. I'm convinced you're the one who created this outage to get more Twitch views. Thank you. It's true. Oh, sorry, one sec. I probably got to end stream. All right. Let's see. What's going on here? Also, if you guys want to stay up to date on all the on like cool videos and whatnot, I am doing like I'm running the Term YouTube channel as well, so we'll be doing a lot of new content and all of that, all written and directed by yours truly. So, yeah. This honestly, this is nightmare fuel. I don't know why it's giving me an X11 error in the build. I hate that for us. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working. This might be something. This might be something that I debug on the couch instead. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end stream because it seems the real world needs me. Okay. No way the last few errors were mostly spent trying to figure out this error. Yeah, I know. For real. For real. Oh my God. See, the world needs me. When the world needed her most, she vanished. I need to go. Um, yeah, what the heck? Mazda drivers? Yeah, for real. What the fridge? Anyway, I'll use AI help me along the way. Um, that 6-year-old would be disappointed in you. Yeah, I know, honestly. I'll see you guys next Wednesday, next Thursday though. And hopefully we'll do more than one little guy. But I'll keep you guys, maybe I'll keep you guys updated, okay? If and when we figure this out, I'll let you know. Stupid. Stupid. I love programming. Okay. Do you guys have anyone you want me to raid? Who's on Twitch right now? Is Twitch even working? Let's see. Where do you guys want to go? Kit Boga? Are they live? Where are they? I know I follow them. I thought I did. Who is live and alive that you want? Oh, they are alive. Maya Rayner. Oh, dang. Okay. Maya Rayner. Let's see. Okay. Is Melky live? Do you guys want to raid? I see 2 messages for that. I see 2 Kit Boga, 2 Melkies. What do you guys want? So poll. Let's get a poll in here. Oh, just kidding. Hold on. Ignore that message. All right. Who to raid? Melky or Kit Boga? Yeah, let's see. Is that right? First time you put up a poll without a troll option? I couldn't even pronounce my camera, okay? We're not we're not there. All right. What are you guys thinking? Let me know, let me know. Okay, it's looking like Milky. Let's do it. Let's do it. There we go. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. All right. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Go say hello to Milky. Chat made me do it. Okay, also thank you for giving me stream raiding recommendations because otherwise I just can't raid. My brain malfunctions, I can't do it. So I'm gonna go stare at my wall for the foreseeable future and cry over this clipboard library. I hope you guys feel good about that. Okay? We're all in it together. We can all stare together. All right. For real though, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye. Oh, raid. Bye guys. We go read a book. Go stare at the wall. Do whatever you gotta do. Au revoir. À la prochaine. There you go. Bye to the Frenchies. Bye bye. All right. Bye bye.